Fit family. Today I am meal prepping some chicken, so I'm just going to go through the process with you. So I just woke up. The first thing I did was make a pot of coffee, and now I am going to marinate some chicken for my meal prep. So I'm using this 3-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I have them separated into two dishes. I'm going to marinate one with this garlic basil Italian dressing, and I'm gonna marinate the other one in this chimichurri style marinade. So these are dressings and marinades I already had in my fridge. We actually didn't like this one as a salad dressing, so I'm gonna use it as a marinade and see how that turns out. Full bottle of marinade on my chicken. This one is going to be grilled and then chopped up for salads and pasta salad. This one is going to be shredded up and used for some chicken tacos. I'm going to cover them and put them in the fridge all day, and then later this evening when we go out to grill, they'll be ready.